Hello everyone, I'm Russell Gard, Managing Director of Forward Prosperity, Finance and Mortgage Brokerage. In this presentation, I will be highlighting the key services we provide to support medical and healthcare professionals. Healthcare and medicine are some of the most important industries in our modern economy, given its unique role in improving and saving people's lives. As someone who has tremendous respect for those who work to provide important care to the community, I am very proud to be speaking on this presentation covering finance for healthcare professionals. Before we do talk about finance, I want to start with something very important. To every doctor, nurse, dentist, physiotherapist, radiologist, allied health professional, and clinic owner watching this, I want to extend to you a heartfelt thank you. I know that you show up every single day to heal, comfort, and care for the entire community, even sometimes at great personal cost. You put in long hours, deal with emotional weight, and manage life or death situations. At Forward Prosperity, we recognize your commitment to helping care for the community, and we respect you enormously. At Forward Prosperity, our mission is simple: better finance for you, our medical and healthcare professionals, so that you can focus on your patients and clients, not paperwork or needless stress. Having said that, let's now talk about how Forward Prosperity and our exceptional services in finance and mortgage brokerage can support you. As a healthcare professional, you face some unique financial pressures that most people don't understand. You likely have a high income, yes, but potentially irregular cash flow from your shifts, locums, or running your own private practice. Many healthcare professionals also have large student loans that hang around for years and years. For business owners, you have steep medical practice costs, expensive medical equipment, and costly clinic fit-outs. Your time is very limited, and for good reason. You are busy saving lives, not researching finance options or economic reports. For medical and healthcare professionals, a common mistake we see is accepting the first bank offer without comparing, because who has time? Time is of the essence, and that's why we are here for you. At Forward Prosperity, we broker a range of loans and build debt structures that understand your profession. Low doc or alternative documentation options for self-employed clinicians. We know how to count overtime, locum income, and private practice earnings properly. Moreover, perhaps you would like a family guarantee loan to help your children buy property sooner without draining your hard-earned savings. At Forward Prosperity, we help you avoid or reduce expensive fees such as lender's mortgage insurance with smart financial structuring. And most importantly, we work around your shifts and on-call schedule, attaining finance approvals that respect your time. For your practice or hospital, we specialize in equipment and expansion finance. Chattel mortgages or leases for a variety of important medical equipment such as imaging machines, rehabilitation equipment, or gym fit-outs. Low deposit options, even for high-value assets. Repayments structured to match your practice's cash flow that won't hurt or disadvantage your healthcare business. On top of all of this, and working with your accountant, we explain the tax benefits clearly so you keep more of what you earn. At Forward Prosperity, we help protect your interests during both the setup or growth phases of your very own healthcare or medical practice. Investing in wealth building strategies. Before I speak on this, I do need to say that everything here is general information only. It is not financial, taxation, or superannuation advice. Debt recycling and superannuation strategies are complex and depend entirely on your individual situation. You should always speak to a registered accountant, tax agent, or licensed financial advisor before taking any action. As a finance and mortgage broker, I can help with lending, credit, and equity access. However, taxation and superannuation advice must come from a qualified specialist. Having said that, at Forward Prosperity, we also help you build real wealth while you focus on healing others. We provide property investment strategies, general guidance on negative gearing, and SMSF lending services where appropriate to help you create passive income. We could also employ debt recycling, which is a general concept where high-income earners convert non-deductible personal debt into tax-deductible investment debt. If you build your passive income streams early in your medical career, you can protect yourself against burnout or even reduce your working hours at a later time. At Forward Prosperity, we believe in long-term equity growth, so you can retire on your own terms when you're ready and not when you are forced to. This is our commitment to you, to provide finance and debt strategies that are always in your best interest. Why healthcare professionals choose Forward Prosperity? The key reason is that we genuinely understand your unique time schedules and the emotional pressures that come with being a healthcare professional. At Forward Prosperity, we compare a range of lenders, finding you the best fit for irregular or high income. We explain concepts in plain English, not confusing or heavy financial jargon. Our finance and mortgage brokerage services also provide you ongoing support and not just for a one-off, one-time loan. Above all, we respect enormously your vocation. We help you so that you can keep helping others. Thank you so much for watching this presentation covering finance for healthcare professionals. If you'd like to see how we can make your finances work harder for you so that you can focus on what matters most, then let's have a quick conversation. At Forward Prosperity, we offer a completely free finance health assessment just for healthcare professionals. A 20-minute conversation, no obligations or conditions, where we review your situation, run the numbers against our models, and show you what's possible. Visit www.forwardprosperity.com today to book in your free assessment. At Forward Prosperity, we're here to support you so you can keep supporting everyone else. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.